KB, great team.
Them push man aside like Charlie. True me nav it financially. Things change, girl we pretty like Dolly. I'm mad over great team. You think a little time them fight tie, spy tie.
Welcome back to Jamaican Chef Blog, and today we are gonna prepare.
Welcome one and all, and today we're gonna do a typical season 3. So first I start off with the carrot. Alright, see this, when you're doing cuts of carrot, you have different style. We can use garnish. They can use it blanch before. You can use it blanch garnish like the carrot and the Irish before you put it on. Or just cut it up. When the meat are cooked down, you put it in there, whatever meat you do. So this is my typical season 3 when I cut up at daytime. This would probably be the first thing I do before I start cook. No, not really say before I start cook. After I put on the pot, get my seasoning ready. So when I'm ready for cook, put another pot. I'm already prepped. So you can check the styles. As you can see. And number one, you always have to remember you have to use your finger as a guard to protect the knife from cutting. Okay. So as I said before, it's just the basic cuts. As I say, eye appeal, people eat with them eyes, so you want your food look attractive. So you're gonna need your season. You can cut the season any which way you want. I'm gonna show you three basic ways. You can cut it slant, as I say, I cut it slant. That is a garnish as well. Good for go on your mutton, your curry mutton, your stew pork, you name, even your stew chicken, curry chicken. It's just to bring up, and then once you carrot, bring up the flavor anyway. So it'll bring up the flavor and it'll make the food look more attractive. So you can get a carrot and join along. Don't try to go as fast as you see me go, guys. Alright, that one I don't know, a big dice. You have a fine dice, you have a big dice. So what I do to this carrot now is like I give them some big dice. Going on whatever, as I said before, whatever meat you cook. But go in there when the food are simmer down. So this will be like the basic part before you even get it in your cooking. Your season 3. Everything we are gonna need to give your food that extra kick, that extra taste, that extra everything. As you can see, these are some of the cuts. See, I use a knife, mark like a design, and I'm gonna cut it out. The Irish, you can use the Irish and do it the same way. And you can do whichever way. Because, alright, say I do pepper steak, you're not gonna really want it that way. You're gonna do it, you're gonna julienne it. Then, if I do pepper steak, which you can do veggie pepper steak, normal pepper steak, chicken pepper steak. So this is what mother normally do when I just start. I come in the morning time, get my seasoning pepper put on. Because you know when you're ready for seasoning,
KB,
you have everything prepped beside.
great team.
Start to finish your pot.
Them push man aside like Charlie. True me nav it financially. Things change, girl we pretty like Dolly. I'm mad over great team. You think a little time them fight tie, spy tie.
Slice not the middle. As I say, I use a finger as a guard cut. You use a finger. See, I'm like, when I go to school and there's a penmanship and you use a finger for the guard, same thing I got to do with a knife. See, I get all cut equal portion size. So now I got some bigger than some. Alright. We are go in at the pepper steak segment, or if you do it smaller, you can do it for escofish. So we are Julian. Anyway, people, not free to comment and tell me. You can show me your style you use when you film season up your pot. Or season them where you use, how you put your season. Yeah. As I say again, finger, you use a finger as guard. Always use your finger. Use your... Yeah man, you can use a middle finger as guard. You use a middle finger as guard. As you can see what I do this. Yeah. So... we are getting at the onion. Oh, we are getting at the onion. So, fine dice. We are fine dice the onion. You can fine dice. The best you like on it. Good. Now saute anything. Me don't know about no other chef, but me love you when I cook me use a lot of natural seasoning. I like natural seasoning. I like when I season fresh. Season fresh you get a better taste. Fresh season. Yeah, I like when I season fresh, as we said before. Fresh. True that. Put up your scallion. So, alright. Now my typical season for your meat. Onion, scallion, garlic, the pepper. Alright, so for instance, me I do fish in a tomato sauce. I put up tomato and sweet pepper. Yeah, chop up tomato and I'm gonna cut it big. As I say again, you cut it big, you cut some big, you go chop up some. So you go saute some. The one you go chop up, you go saute. The next tomato now, or tomato. We usually can say tomato, so next tomato, we go cut up. We more than cut up now. Okay? Basically, we cut it decent size, so that's when it has served it, as me I say, I appeal. As I can see, I have right there, so I have it cut fine, I'm over that.